Ever wondered what a place looked like years ago? Good news. You can see older street view images right from your mobile using the Google Maps app. For that, open the Google Maps app. It looks something like this. Now search for the location you want to check, like type in the address or place name in the search bar. For now, I'll just go with a random location. Let me go with this one. And I will just zoom in a little bit. Once the location loads, tap and hold on the road or exact spot on the map. Let me go with this one. Now at the bottom you will see a photo thumbnail. This is the street view. Tap on it. As you can see, the view is quite clear. This is the spot where we marked. Now inside the street view mode, slide up this bar at the bottom. And here you will see a timeline slider with older image dates if available. Slide through and tap on any date to see how that place looked in the past. Note, this feature only works in places where Google has captured historical images, mainly in cities or well-mapped roads. You can also add a photo of the same location by tapping Add a Photo option here. And that's it. Now you can travel back in time from your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Stick around for more quick tech how-tos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.